Hi, okay, so today I'm going to show you inside my Dropbox folders. So starting off, I have my EDCI 270 folder that is just for the general class, and then I have my EDCI 270 folder for photography, which is my theme. So first I then have a screenshot of a poster type thing, poster of manual photography cheat sheet that I allowed my blog to see. Next, I'm going to show you how to upload files. Upload files, you simply go here, you press upload files, and then go and say you have a screenshot, which you all saw. I could choose this and it will automatically upload. Since I already did have this uploaded, it's right there. Now you can do create new file, which you go to Word document, it pulls up Word online, or if you do own Word, then I would assume it pulls up Word, but for me it pulls up Word online. And if it's cooperating, let's see, if we refresh, it will come up here and you can write out whatever you want. Hello EDCI 270, and then you simply file, rename, and name it Hello EDCI 270, and you press OK. Save to Dropbox is what you want to see. You go back to your Dropbox and you have it. In order to share, you simply hover over the document and press share. You can then email it, or if you have a friend on Dropbox, you can also do the name and press send. So that is it for my Dropbox.